In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Steam error code -118 or -138. Now first what we want to try is we want to come here and search for troubleshoot settings, open it up and go to additional troubleshooters. Then in here what you want to do is you want to find your internet connections. You want to try and run that one, and you can also come here and run the network adapter one and try and see if that fixes the issue. After that, what I suggest you do is you open up your firewall. In here, allow an app or feature, change settings, click anywhere and press S, and check if you have Steam in here. If you have Steam, make sure this one is checked as well as these two. If you have two, you can just do it for both of them. And if you don't see Steam in here, you want to add Steam. So search for Steam here, right click, open file location, right click again and open file location. And this is your steam.exe. So what you want to do is come up here, click, and then Control C. Then come in here, allow another app, browse, click up here, Control V, enter, and then you just want to find the Steam, open, and add it. Now after you've done that, what I suggest you try and do, if it's still not working, is you want to come to your internet. So search for View Network Connections, find your internet right here, right click, disable, and right click enable. This will just quickly turn the internet on and off on your PC. If it still doesn't work, you can go to Properties, go to Internet Protocol version 4, Properties, use the following DNS and type in 8888.8844, press OK and see if it works now. Now if none of these work, there's two solutions left that I suggest you try and do. Now one of them is you find your router in your house and you unplug it for a few seconds, or even up to a minute, and then you plug it back in. This will restart your internet and that might help fix the issue. Now the other thing I suggest you try and do is maybe uninstall Steam and restart your computer and then reinstall Steam and see if that works. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.